So in today's video I want to feature Playing in Makeup by Yolanda, Jamrock Universal Eyeshadow, and this is how it looks. It came beautifully packaged. If you hear somebody in the background, that's Kai Kai. The colors in here are beautiful. You have bright colors and you also have neutral colors in here. And I'm gonna do a full review. I just want to put it to the test and actually use it on my eyes before I do the review. Thank you to Yolanda for actually sending me this. This is a great traveling palette also because it has everything that you would ever need in here. So I'm gonna try to use this palette and a lot of my Fenty Beauty stuff. So basically it's gonna be like a Caribbean girl run it tutorial. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty concealer in 330. I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow primer. If I wore Fenty Beauty foundation, then this would be what I would be matched to. But honestly, Fenty Beauty foundation is too matte for me, and I tend to have more dry skin, so yeah. And before I do anything, I'm gonna prep my face because my skin is a bit dry. And I'm gonna go in with my strobe cream from MAC.
Our album Telling Lies. This one is called Homeland.
And then I'm gonna go in with some Josie Maran argan oil. Hi, Batman. I'm gonna let that soak in. So, So, my file got corrupted, and the most important part of my video is not working. So I'm gonna do one eye over again so you guys can see the eyeshadows in progress, and do some swatches for another one of my videos. So the first color I went in was with nude, and I placed that in my crease. And I'm sorry in a lot of the video I'm using the palette to block what I'm doing. I haven't been making makeup videos in a while, so I'm a bit rusty. Now I'm gonna go in with maroon, and it's this color right here, and I'm gonna put that in right below that nude color. in pop style on my lids. And I'm gonna go in and deepen the crease area again with maroon. Then I'm gonna go in my inner tear duct with Trophy, and that kind of give me the feel of like Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty. And I just plop that right in my inner corner like that. Use some of the pop style and blend the two together. Now I'm gonna go in with brows, and this is the Maybelline Studio brow gel. This is indestructible, okay? It lasts forever. You have to use a waterproof remover to take this out your eyebrows.
I was taking my land Jamaican.
Now I'm gonna go in with my Mary Kay foundation in bronze 3. Honest to God, this is the only foundation that I have seen that almost match my skin perfectly. Like, I have to mix. And like I said, I'm sure there's a color in Fenty Beauty that would match me, but that foundation is way too matte for my extremely dry skin. I have combination skin, so this part of my skin is dry, and then from my nose up to my forehead is combo, so it gets oily like in the summertime and stuff.
Enjoying all the natural resources and breeze. When I looked up, there was nothing for me to partake of. The Bible's already made entrance, you see.
So I'm gonna use my Fenty concealer, and this is in 330. And I love the Fenty concealers. If they could make this concealer into a freaking foundation, it will be perfect for me, and perfect for people with dry skin, or people just like a more luminous natural finish in foundation. I'll use a matte foundation, but it has to be a special occasion, like I'm going to a concert.
I was craving from the natural resources. Not even sugar cane I used to see, I could see. Took it and did not leave one petal of roses. My livelihood, you notice they stole that from me.
I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty powder. I really like this powder because it's moisturizing, unlike a lot of other powders, especially loose powders. Loose powders have the tendency to be very dry and very crepey. It makes under your eyes look crepey, and that's one of the biggest problems I had with my Laura Mercier. It made my under eyes look crepey, like I had old woman skin. I was like, that's not cute. So I stopped using it. If y'all want it, y'all can hit me up. I'll send it to you. I don't use that anymore. I am just lightly setting my face with the Fenty Beauty. It's in the shade Honey. Okay, I absolutely love the Fenty Beauty powder. It is really nice. It doesn't make your under eyes crepey or your face look crepey and dry. Okay, I think I'm gonna get the banana one, but I have so many loose powders that I need to stop. Okay, so this is how it looks. Your girl is tripping. So I should have did this before I powdered my face, but whatever. I'm not gonna use a whole lot anyways. This is the Mary Kay foundation in Bronze 5. I'm just gonna use it as my contour. Just a tiny bit. Yolanda, your thing shot, my girl. I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild stippling brush to just blend that in with my hairline. I like to blend it in my hairline. I don't understand why people don't do that step, but and you take your contour up. Don't blend it down. What's the matter, fat man? What is the matter? Now I'm going to use the same brush that I had my foundation on to blend it out even more so it's not harsh. And that's one of the tips that I always use. What's the matter, Kakai? What is the matter, fat man? Huh? What's wrong with the baby? Huh? Now I'm gonna go in with maroon again on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna use the True Complexion Contour Palette in light to medium. This is from Black Radiance. They have a medium to dark one. I'm gonna use the contour shade right here. When I'm more tan, I use the Sculpt shade. As you can see, I'm hitting pan. This has gotten a whole lot of love from me. Hubby went to the gym, so I'm finding something constructive to do with my time. Plus, I haven't done a makeup video in so long here on YouTube, and that's because we were traveling. And when we're traveling, we don't have the best lighting, we don't have the best equipment. We just film and on the go. So that's why I don't do like my fashion videos, my makeup videos and all of that while we're Fenty lip gloss one. This is the original one. Can have like a clear gloss moment.
A new location, that's all it would have been.
and go in with, this is Lolita from Kat Von D. Do a monochromatic look.
Feelings, he got you all in your feelings. But do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up. So why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now he's ready. I'm talking key sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So
that is the finished product. Please go out and support my girl Yolando and go buy the Jamrock Universal Eyeshadow Palette. It is actually very beautiful. It's amazing. The colors are pigmented. It comes packaged beautifully, and you're supporting a black owned business. Can't get any better than that. So yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.